Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Lava mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Lava mobile guys three finger screenshot setting. How to take three finger screenshot in Lava mobile. Friends, we want to use the Lava mobile three finger screenshot setting. So now how to take three finger screenshot in Lava mobile, how to enable three finger to take a screenshot setting. One by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So friends, open your Lava mobile phone setting. After phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Lava mobile. Friends, scroll it and friends click here assistant setting. After assistant setting friends, scroll again and friends you can see three finger screenshot setting. You want to take a screenshot with three fingers, swipe down with three finger to take a screenshot. After all friends, you want to take a screenshot this page, use three fingers, swipe down with three finger, you can take a screenshot in your Lava mobile. And friends, click here, you want to edit a screenshot so you can edit also. Friends, you want to crop your screenshot, you can crop. And as you want to adjust, so you can adjust guys your screenshot brightness. You left side decrease and left side right side you can increase brightness. And once click here filter, once you want to add any filter you can add. And once if you click here you want to mark here, so friends you can mark also. Friends, you want to show any tags on your screenshot, so the enter tags guys and the tags will show on your screenshot. So like that friends, we can edit screenshot. You want to save, so you can save, and you don't want to save, so friends click here cancel. And friends, you don't want to use Lava while three finger screenshot, you can off. After off, you cannot use three finger screenshot. Swipe down with three finger to take a screenshot, you cannot use. You want to use again on three finger screenshot and you can use it. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.